Oh no, I'm wrong. Hold on again. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna prep my hair with first. Okay. Hey. Gel. Pardon. Let's get into it. This is my hair from last wig. So like this. Oh no, I'm wrong. Hold on again. Please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up if you like. Today I'm trying new. Gonna clip my hair with this tiny little butterfly things. Oh, I throw it on the floor. Today I'm sharing with you guys. Yeah. So this is how I went to bed yesterday. I installing crochet fallas. Comparison between finger rolling in a new wig. So looks you can see my hair is prepped. So as you can thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!